Okay, this is my attempt at the 2022 TRD Pro, TRD off-road 4Runner rear disc, not disc, but rear pad replacement on the brakes. You need a 17 millimeter for each pin, and I believe they are at 65 foot-pounds of torque. But we're just removing them for right now, so helps if you do it in the right direction. I do want you to keep in mind that there is some dust covers here and they can pop off. There's rubber sleeves here that the pins slide through, and then there is a clip on the bottom of this brake pad that you need to remove from there and put on the new one. These are the brakes I'm using. Ray Bestos. Got them off of Amazon. It doesn't have new hardware, so I guess you could play with using that if you'd like. Okay, so also do have this jack stand here so I can hold the caliper when I need to take it off. Again, this is 17 mil. I'm pretty sure when I tighten them back up, it'll be to 65 foot-pounds. Bottom, set that aside. Try not to get the grease on the ground. Keep it upright. Okay. Put that there for now. Brake stay out. I did have squeaking. Replaced the fronts already as well. Careful with your disc. They are a little different as far as the metal on the back, but just that the pin placement or the little, this has this there and these have them here. No biggie. Slide that bad boy in there. bottom first, then the top. And then this is the one that has this little tab on the back, on the bottom here. It's on the bottom. Make sure you have this metal on here. If it's not on here, use the one on the old one. Just by the skin of our teeth. There. Okay, let's just match them up. Side for side here. Okay, I'm going to take this bad boy off and put it right there. Pick it from that one, put it on that one, and that's the bottom. Okay. Stick this guy in. A bit of brake dust. Went right in right there. Just got a little off. Just be patient. Take your time. There we go. Okay. Now for the caliper. Use our table up a little bit here. And get a C-clamp out. An old brake pad. And you kind of have to take this down all the way, and you're going to compress this rubber pad here. Be careful with it. Okay, what I'm doing here is just compressing the piston with the C-clamp. It's kind of hard to see, but this line is kind of short for the brake line. So just do it slowly, watch it go down, and you'll see the first layer go into the second layer, and then the second layer will kind of fall into the third layer, and that's good enough, I think. And then just try to put it back where it was. Keep in mind these little plastic sleeves here. Obviously my gloves are not doing much at this point. Okay. I don't remember if it's the top one or the bottom one, but do it by hand as much as you can because you don't want to cross thread these bad boys. You see that rubber boot there is pushing in, but it does have a slot where once the screw gets far enough in there, it will move itself back. You can help it along the way if you want. Okay, 65 foot-pounds on the 17. Tidy. Just do a little bit of the wave first. Let's just check it one more time for good measure. There we go. Okay. And you're done. Put the tire back on. Tap the brakes. Take it for a spin.